Good morning, sixth graders. I am at jury duty today, which means obviously I'm not here. So we are going to take a break from what we were doing with history of measurement, just a pause in that. We'll come back to that once I'm back from jury duty. But for today, you're going to now work on your next project, which is the gumball machine. And so we're going to go through the design process for that. And so the beginning part is simply going to be going through those vocab definitions. So I'm going to show you where that's located for what you're working on today. So gumball machine design notebook, you're going to go to Schoology. When you're in Schoology, scroll down and you'll see below the history of measurement folder, there is the gumball machine folder. So click on the gumball machine folder, and at the top, gumball machine design notebook. And when you open that, it's going to look very similar to your previous design notebooks. We're going to talk more in detail about this project when I get back. The only thing you need to do right now is task number 1, which is vocabulary. As far as the rest of the project, that's not something we need to worry about today. So for task number 1, you'll click on that to go down to today's assignment. And so it's vocab definitions, something you've done before, where you give the definition. Please use your own words. Don't just copy and paste from Google. Find a picture that represents that word, an example, and non-example. So you have height, width, depth, diameter, which is a math term, mechanism, spatial awareness, and then the orange should do is bond, and then the aspire to do is varnish. So for all those words, look up those definitions, pictures, and try to have task number 1 finished today. That will save you time later on when we get to that gumball machine and start making it. So that's your assignment. When you're done with that, you'll have time to yourself. But be kind today, make good choices, and I hope to see you soon.